Guys, today I wanted to do a review of the stud finders that I purchased. I've been using them for a little while now and I'm pretty happy with these overall. The one that I'm really happy with is the CH Hansen stud finder. And it's very simple, no batteries, has one rare earth magnet in it, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you now. And you'll see that this thing is awesome. I use it for everything, and it's pretty simple. This other one I have here, which was pretty good because I lost this at one point. I had to buy another one. It was in my garage. I don't know where it is, but you have to look out with this one because it can attach to something metal because the magnet is so strong. And it's hiding somewhere. I have two of these. I just don't know where the other one is now. But I also have this Franklin sensor product too, and this is pretty good. So is it as good as the CH Hansen? I like the CH Hansen personally, but this did do the job when I couldn't find my rare earth stud finder. And I'm going to demonstrate those for you right now. So you can see the screws here, and so that's where the studs are. However, if this was spackled and painted, you wouldn't be able to see these screws. And the reason why I'm doing it here right now is just to show you what the reasons are and what these tools they pick up, these devices. So you'll see here, this one here has a bunch of lights across the top bar. And then when it senses the stud, or there could be conduit in the wall, this particular one will pick up the conduit. Okay? And I'm going to push the button. There's a button here you push. I'm going to hold it. So right now no lights are lit because it doesn't sense any, oh, see? And this is the stud right here. Okay, so it senses right there, there's the stud, and as you keep moving it, those lights keep moving, okay? So it's picking something else up over here. It could be wire, it could be many different things. So you can get false positives out of these tools, this one particularly. So I just wanted to show that to you, but if I was to use this, I would use the 3 light. 2 lights is indicating something, there's still something there, it's gone to 3 now. So I don't know what's there, but I know that there's another stud here, and it's picking something up over here. But this gives you an idea of how this works. So if you were going to put something here, you would pick the center light between the two, because that's saying that's your stud running right up there. And you can see the screws that are screwed into the studs, that's what it would be. Okay? It's a great tool, it does work, but it picks up other things in the wall, like I'm assuming it's picking up this electrical copper line in that wall. Okay, so when you go to a wall that has spackle and it's finished and it's painted and you don't know where these screws are, this is going to pick up the electric or the conduit or the BX that's in the wall, or a plumbing pipe if it's copper. So the other one that I have here, which is the Hansen stud finder. This has a 2 rare earth magnets in it, which this thing is amazing. I love this stud finder. This is my favorite. It also has a level on it, so once you find the stud, you can then level this off and then do your vertical line if you wanted to. So you'll see here, it will not stick to the wall, okay? Because there's nothing here. And I'm gonna go around here. So there's something in this wall because it wants to stick to it. It's not 100%, but it's something in this wall. So there is some type of duct or conduit, something's in here. Anyway, so you'll see I go around, but once I hit a screw, look at that. It picks that screw up. It doesn't matter if it's in sheetrock, spackle, there's paint over it. That is the best stud finder there is, in my opinion. I love this thing. There's no batteries to change. It's just a big magnet, and it's really, really strong. I'm gonna move to another wall in a moment, but as you can see, this Franklin sensor, which is still a good stud finder, but it's not as good as the CH Hansen. It's 10 bucks on Amazon. If you have Prime, it doesn't cost you anything to deliver it. So I highly recommend the CH Hansen stud finder. It's awesome. Now I'm gonna go show you using it on a spackled wall. So you see here I have a wall that is totally spackled. So I don't know where the screws are, and I'm going to demonstrate to you using the CH Hansen first. Okay, so found the screw there. If you want to confirm that that is the stud, even though we can see here the spackle joint, but we can't see the screw, you should pick up another one. There's the other one. Okay, so approximately 12 inches. That's a little bit more. It's usually what the standard is, 12 inches on centers where they screw off sheetrock. So you can see there, but if it was over here, it's not picking anything up. So it definitely picks up here. This is the other one, the Franklin sensor. And I'm going to start here, and you'll see that it's picking the stud up. So they both work well. And then this one, like I said before, it's the center light is your mark to pick up the stud. They're both great tools. I suggest you have both. But if you had to pick one, I would pick the CH Hansen, this little unit. It's fantastic. I use this first. This is the first one I grab when I'm going to use a stud finder. This I use as a backup, or if this is questionable. Depends on the application, where I'm working. Some areas you can't get this into. If you're working and you're hanging curtains or things like that, it's hard to use this unit. This goes everywhere. It's very simple. And that's basically my review on this. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw here, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Hit the bell so you get new content. If you have a question, put it down below. We'll respond back to you. I do read these questions and statements. And thanks for watching.